Now, this is a remarkable story. A joiner and dinosaur fanatic from Warwickshire, who even spent his honeymoon searching for fossils, has made the discovery of his lifetime: the remains of a previously unknown dinosaur. Robin Ward found the bones whilst on holiday on the Isle of Wight. Now, paleontologists from the University of Southampton say the bones suggest they belong to a new species linked to the T-Rex, and it's called Vectaerovenator Inopinatus. I think I'll call him Vic. Joanne Riddle has more.
The Tyrannosaurus rex was one of our most famous dinosaurs. Now, remains of a new species closely related to the T-Rex have been found on the Isle of Wight by carpenter and fossil fanatic Robin Ward from Broome in Warwickshire, who was on holiday there last summer to celebrate his daughter's 10th birthday.
When I picked it up, I knew straight away that it was a dinosaur bone. I was pretty sure, 100% sure that it was. Within 5 minutes, I came across the next one. It's like winning the lottery.
And you actually donated them to the museum on the Isle of Wight.
They asked me if I'd gift them to them so they could research them, and it's like giving the lottery money away. You know, that's that sort of feeling, but I knew if I'd done that, then they'd be able to research them.
Paleontologists from the University of Southampton studied the two bones Robin found and two others discovered on the same coastline and said they had air spacers, which meant the new dinosaur would have moved fast.
If you're a fast, active hunter, having an efficient air system and an ability to take more oxygen out of the atmosphere than just 2 bags, then that's going to be a really useful thing. So these holes are an extension of the lungs and allow the animal to be a fast and active predator.
It was a land dinosaur which has sometime died, got washed down down the estuary into the sea and sunk to the bottom of the sea, and the bones have got scattered.
It was amazing because it can change the history of so much. And it was really, really cool.
Tell me how to say the name of this new dinosaur.
I don't know that one yet.
Can Dad teach you?
Vectaerovenator Inopinatus.
Vectaerovenator Inopinatus.
Robin spent his whole life searching for fossils and bones.
Now this was it's a reptile, but it's like a dolphin, so it swam in the sea.
He's been promised 3D printed replicas of the dinosaur remains he found, which will take pride of place at home. Joanne Riddle, BBC Midlands Today, Broome.